In this highly anticipated episode, we are delving into the intricate world of extracorporeal suturing in lap surgery. In this video, we will take your skills one level higher by exploring the art and science of suturing outside the body during lap procedures. Next extracorporeal knot will be Tayside knot. So this is again a good addition to your armamentarium, that is Tayside knot. And when you are basically bringing together two structures which are far away, like two tendons or two ligamentous structures, and there is no tissue in between and the tension is high, so this is one of the most secure knot that you will encounter. So I'll demonstrate step by step as in all my previous knot. So basically the tail end we have kept outside with the identified with the help of this artery forceps, and the shorter end is on the left side. So you have to follow one technique, and if you're following us, then follow this way only. So we have taken half a reef knot. Then the difference here will be that all the binds are on the longer limb only, friends. I'll demonstrate with the help of color coded vascular tapes also, and we keep a gap between the half reef knot and the first bind. So we take 3 binds here, we can take 4 also, and then we lock it on the this shorter thread between the half reef knot and the first bind. So again, difference here is in all the knots we have taken binds around the 2 threads, but here we have taken binds on the 1 thread only, a longer thread, and lock is with the shorter thread, and then we lock it, and then we start basically moving it, and then we lock it further. And as I said, for tougher structure with the chances of slippage of knot is high, this provides extra security and that it won't slip out. So watch here again, the fact that I wanted to demonstrate will be clear here now. So again, same step, half reef knot, and then keep a gap. All the binds are on the longer thread, so the red thread is the long thread, so all the binds are on the long thread. We keep a gap between the half reef knot and the first bind. Then keep your left hand steady, don't move it, otherwise it won't stack properly. Then locking is again, as I said, in all the knots it was on the opposite thread, but here locking is on the same thread, which is the blue thread or the left sided short thread. Then we bring the reef knot closer, then keep on tightening as we slide, and this will secure the structure beautifully. So again, in fast forward mode we will demonstrate it with the help of this suture also. And we come out. So again, our assistant has to keep a thumb between the 2 threads, and here we are using 3O PDS. Again, friends, this is a rough guide, general guide, as you will practice, and I hope you will share the picture of your 100 knots with me soon in the basically chat option on the app. So then you will generate, you will invent your own base. So we take half reef knot, then 3 binds on the longer end, and we keep a gap between the reef knot and the first bind. Then we lock it on the same side, and difference here is that we are locking on the same thread, that is the shorter thread. All the binds are on the single thread. Then we lock it further, then bring the reef knot back, then keep tightening, and as you slide, then you can tighten it further, and that will basically create a secure Tayside knot. And for tougher ligamentous structures, this provides security. So the next knot will be, friends, Tumble Square knot. It is both the extracorporeal knot and the intracorporeal knot. So we will demonstrate also in the intracorporeal knots, friends. So this is not very, I'm not very fond of this knot, but for the sake of completion, I am sharing this knot with you guys, and you will definitely require this knot while doing the intracorporeal suturing that we will demonstrate in the upcoming series. So we have made a square knot, then the half reap knot, then reverse, and then we tighten it. So tumbling is basically to some sort of making it straight or somersault. So now the trick here is, after creating a square knot, then you will pull the same long thread. So we are pulling the shorter thread is on the left side with the tail end, and we are pulling the longer thread, and the knot will get straightened like here, and then you can tighten it further. And if you want to take additional suture, then keep this left hand suture long, and it will hold like this beautifully. So this is a comparatively simple knot, and as a surgery trainee who is venturing into the field of laparoscopy, you should be knowing about these knots, and this knot will be definitely of a help while doing the intracorporeal knotting, that will be lap suturing. So we have taken this half reap knot, then we made it square. The shorter end will come opposite side over the red thread, and then we will tighten it. This is a square knot, basically surgical square knot, and we tighten it. Then we will now pull on the same long thread. So we are pulling the red thread here. I hope you can make out this, and then we will start sliding, and you can tighten it further. So again we are demonstrating with the help of this thread, as we have done in our all the demonstrations. So in a fast forward mode, we have created this square knot. Again, all the movements has to be done with this hand, or you can take the help of your assistant, but the left hand has to keep holding the knots, otherwise they will get entangled and won't slide. So tighten it, then pull the same long thread. So the shorter thread is on the left side, we are pulling it, and the knot will get tumbled, get straightened up, and then you can keep sliding and keep tightening. And as I said, you can keep this left hand suture end a bit longer if you want to take additional suture intracorporeally, and you will slide with the help of a knot pusher, or with the help of open jaws of this thing, Maryland. So friends, that brings us to the end of this extracorporeal knotting, and I hope we were able to add some new insight to your knowledge. And every stitch you make brings you one step closer to the mastery. Embrace the challenge, embrace the journey, and become the skilled surgeon you aspire to be. Do download our app and embark on a journey of mastery and precision. And if you're watching this video on our YouTube channel, then do like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any future update. Till next time, happy suturing, and stay tuned. The best is yet to be. Thank you very much.